Crypto investors, please listen up. Anyone invested in Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, any altcoins, we may be in a trap. So please do not be the 99% of people that will get wrecked and fall for the trap. What do I mean, guys? Well, we do have some contradicting indicators showing us a bull run and a bear run. So what do we see here, guys, on the weekly time frame? Well, we have a falling wedge that has been broken to the upside. This has been forming on the weekly time frame for the past 2 years, to be specific, since May of 2021. Now, what is this contradicting indicators? Well, if we take a look right here, guys, we take this thing out. If we look at the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average on the weekly time frame, what do we see here, guys? A death cross forming. Many technical analysis experts would say this is bearish. But if we take a look on the daily time frame, what do we see here as well? Well, we see a golden cross forming. And a lot of experts would say this is bullish. And right now we're entering a state of Bitcoin where everyone is neutral. If we take a look at the index, the Bitcoin index for greed and fear, we see a 50 neutral, but it's leaning towards bullish. But if you have not checked out my previous video of why 99% will get wrecked, go check that out right now, guys. Please go check that out if you haven't. Very, very important. Once you watch that, come back, because I'm going to explain everything. So experts would say, yes, these are contradicting, but they would trust the golden cross more on the daily time frame, guys, because it is not lagging. It's less lagging compared to the weekly time frame, which on the weekly time frame is forming this bearish, golden, or not golden cross, death cross. So we need to be very, very careful, guys, because there's going to be a lot of volatility. As you guys can see right here, we may very well be testing the 25,000. If we bounce off the 25 and 24 in between these two, well, that's a confirmation we should see some downside for Bitcoin. Yes. And these Bitcoin whales are going to take advantage. They're going to do everything in their power to bring down the price of Bitcoin once it pumps to 25,000. Why, guys? Well, if we hit 25,000, that means on the EMA, we are bullish and we are starting to reverse. So as a result, a lot of Bitcoin holders or Bitcoin people that are waiting to enter the market, to pour money into the market, are going to do so once we hit 25,000. And as a result, this means the Bitcoin whales are going to come in and wreck everybody. So we need to be very, very careful, because right now things are contradicting, but a lot of experts are saying they trust the daily time frame because it is less lagging. Now, moving on, we also need to be aware of the S&P 500. It seems like everyone forgot about the S&P 500. Everyone seems to be bullish right now because the S&P 500, if we take a look on the weekly time frame, has broken above this descending line or descending, chart pattern right here. We broke up to the upside, as you guys can see. Now everyone's bearish, or not bearish, bullish, but we must wait until the FOMC meeting, because this will ultimately dictate where stock prices go and where the S&P 500 goes. So guys, we also may be seeing a trap right here just to get everyone hyped to pour money into the market. So we need to be very, very careful, guys. Please don't fall for the trap. It seems like everywhere we look at is showing us a bull sign right now. So as I said in a previous video, the 25,000 is right here, the EMA 50, which means they are, as I said, bullish. So we need to be very careful. Also, liquidity grab right here. There's high amounts of money to be liquidated. So what are the bears or the Bitcoin whales going to do? They're going to try and push the price of Bitcoin up. So all these short position or short traders get wrecked. And they're going to kill two birds in one stone, because as a result, when these people get wrecked, there's going to be new traders coming in, entering long positions. And what do you know? The Bitcoin whales are going to try and dump the price, because look it, we still have lots of money to grab right here. There's lots of money, guys. We need to be very careful of what we are doing right now, because I'm going to tell you why. Right now, the crypto market is unstable. We don't have regulation. We also, macroeconomics is not doing very well. And we are in a bear market. So those are three indicators pointing out to a lot of volatility in the crypto market, which we need to be careful, because this may very well be an artificial pump. This is why I'm making a warning. And guys, just be careful, please. Don't be the 99% of people that get wrecked. So what is my price prediction for Bitcoin? Well, guys, my price prediction for Bitcoin is probably going to be a $30,000 Bitcoin. Yes, it may very well pump to 30,000 just to get people to buy in on this, reversal. But towards the end of the year, I do believe we are going to crash, just because we are unstable. There's no regulation right now in the crypto market. So this will ultimately bring down the price of Bitcoin and other cryptos like Ethereum, Cardano, and other altcoins. So unless we get regulation in 2023, I do not see a price of Bitcoin hitting 50K, guys. As I said right here, according to this falling wedge, the next price target for Bitcoin is 50,000. But we must have regulation if you want to see that price in 2023. The chances of that happening is very low, because as I said, right now, the SEC knows and banks know they have no power over Bitcoin. And according to other articles, they're saying it's going to take 400 years to come up with a regulation, or to come up with regulation for crypto. But with that said, guys, this is DC Trading. Check this video out. Very important, because YouTube is recommending it to you. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily analysis. We had some crazy amounts of info today that I wanted to share with you, but I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.